Passive voice sentences. Rule. Present simple tense is MR plus verb की third form. Present continuous is MR plus being plus verb की third form. Present perfect has been, have been plus verb की third form. Past simple tense was, were plus verb की third form. Past continuous was, were plus being plus verb की third form. Past perfect had been plus verb की third form. Future simple will be plus verb की third form. Future perfect will have been plus verb की third form. Active voice. We sell second hand cars. हम second hand car बेचते हैं. Passive voice. Second hand cars are sold by us. Second hand cars are sold by us. Second hand cars हमारे द्वारा बेची जाती हैं. Some more examples. The cake was baked by my mother. The cake was baked by my mother. केक मेरी माँ द्वारा बेक किया गया था. The project was completed on time. The project was completed on time. Project समय पर पूरा किया गया. The room is being cleaned right now. The room is being cleaned right now. कमरे की अभी सफाई की जा रही है. The letter has been sent. The letter has been sent. पत्र भेजा जा चुका है. A decision will be made tomorrow. A decision will be made tomorrow. फैसला कर लिया जाएगा. फैसला कर लिया जाएगा. I am being forced to tell a lie. I am being forced to tell a lie. मुझे झूठ बोलने पर मजबूर किया जा रहा है. Why wasn't I informed about it earlier? Why wasn't I informed about it earlier? इस बारे में मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया गया? Do you happen to know when will be this store opened? Do you happen to know when will be this store opened? क्या आपको पता है ये स्टोर कब खुलेगा? She is being forced to get married. She is being forced to get married. उसे शादी के लिए मजबूर किया जा रहा है. My car was being repaired when you called. My car was being repaired when you called. मेरी कार ठीक हो रही थी जब तुमने कॉल किया. He was being taken to the hospital. He was being taken to the hospital. उसे अस्पताल ले जाया जा रहा था. He has been fired. He has been fired. उसे निकाल दिया गया है. The room had not been cleaned when we arrived. The room had not been cleaned when we arrived. हमारे आने पर कमरे की सफाई नहीं की गई थी. When I got there, the food had been finished. When I got there, the food had been finished. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो खाना खत्म हो चुका था. This work will have been completed by tomorrow. This work will have been completed by tomorrow. ये काम कल तक पूरा हो जाएगा. The cake was eaten by somebody. The cake was eaten by somebody. केक किसी ने खा लिया था. The house will be clean on Monday. The house will be clean on Monday. सोमवार को घर साफ हो जाएगा. The flute is being played. The flute is being played. बांसुरी बजाई जा रही है. The conversation is being recorded. The conversation is being recorded. बातचीत रिकॉर्ड की जा रही है. Food is being prepared. Food is being prepared. खाना तैयार किया जा रहा है. The house is being built. The house is being built. मकान बनाया जा रहा है.